Hey guys, what's cracking? Today we're doing a move called the spine grab backhand twirl. Here's what the move looks like. That's it. Here is a slow-mo. Now, I thought this would be a great kind of beginner trick to learn to get used to using the spine grab. It's also pretty cool. The first trick I ever learned was the backhand twirl, which looks like that. And this is just kind of a little bit of an extra way to get used to using spine grabs, which I talked about in another video I'll link below. However, basically, not only do you have the safe handle and the bite handle, but you can also grab the spine and bite handle as a spine grab. And this opens all kinds of cool things, one of which is what we're going to see here, where we can do this backhand twirl with an extra kind of spine grab flair, which is what this is. So to get right into this one, what you're going to do is you're going to start off hanging on to the safe handle, just in this pretty standard grip here. You're going to flip the knife over the back of your hand, and you're going to insert your index finger in front of the safe handle, just like so. So again, safe handle, flipping the knife over the back of your hand, inserting your index finger. And what you're going to do is take the back of the blade and you're going to flip that forwards over your index finger. And from here, what you can do is you can take your thumb and four fingers and grab onto the spine of the blade here. So this is, again, the dull side of the blade right here, and the bite handle just like so. So what that looks like, flipping the knife out, inserting your index finger, flipping the knife backwards, and catching the bite handle and spine of the blade. This is basically a basic spine grab entrance. And what you're going to do from here is you're going to flip the safe handle out backwards just like so. And you're going to want to kind of swing it way back here so you can see it goes basically as far back as it can go. And this is so that way we build up momentum for the next part, which is kind of this wrong way roll around the thumb and catch in the reverse kind of pen grip, just like so. And so what that's going to look like is right from the top, flipping that over your hand, over the back of your hand, insert your index finger, come forwards, grab the spine grab, flip the knife back like this. We're going to twist our whole hand, and we're going to do this pretty quick. We're going to want to get a lot of speed here. This doesn't really work with momentum. It's more with speed of the knife hitting your finger. Your finger's going to stay right about in the same place, and the knife's going to spin. And what you can do is, as it's spinning, really soon, you can take your thumb and index finger and grab and come around just like so. So this isn't necessarily a full roll around. It's just a little bit of an extra kind of ricochet or flare that makes the move a little more spicy. So that's all there is to the move. I know you guys will get this one with a little bit of practice, but it's kind of just a fun way to mix up an old classic. So hope you guys like that one. Thanks for watching. Peace.